That is the shell. And this is the woman that's going to get it. Hey.
Give me your umbrella. Okay, I need to go a little further. Oh, my feet. God.
Why use my umbrella?
Because mine's not long enough. Look at it, it's right there. It's sitting in mud.
You can't go down there?
Do you see that?
Yeah.
I want you to point that camera at that. That's where my foot was.
And look at those feet.
Yum, right?
It is. The shell is mocking you.
It is, and it will be mine. Mine. I'm probably gonna drag it back down there to where it started.
I'll get it. It's on, by the way.
Oh. This is this is the brave woman. Here, try and get it with the brave woman who's trying to get the shell for me. Do you need your umbrella?
Your umbrella's back.
Yeah. Cheap, that's why. I got it! Good job, you got it!
Look at that!
Holy Jesus Christ.
Oh, look at my shoes. That's gross.
Look at my feet. Look.
Ew.
Look at my shoes and all the feet
and the gross.
Here's this.
The shoes. Adding to our collection.